how to install iFunny X app, hot memes and videos. So yeah, this is just like a meme app where you just want to, kind of TikTok for memes or Instagram for memes. Yeah, if you just like funny pictures and videos, that's one of the apps you can try out. And then you just need to download. It's actually quite big, as you can see there. It's almost like 200 megabytes. And then you can just basically download it. And then yeah, if you just open it up, then you will see it. You just need to proceed with these settings. And then how many notifications you want to receive. And then yeah, just swipe and smile, and then yeah, you can just see all of these memes, and that's what it is. So this is the app where yeah, you can just try it out, and that's how it works. Yeah, so then that's basically how it works. You can also add meme. To add meme, you need to create your account with Apple, Google, or Facebook. Then you have subscriptions. I don't know if you can make money on this app. There is another app called ABPV, which is kind of a new version of this iFunny app. I don't know. It seems it's not the same developer, but yes, it's two different apps. But you can just download this iFunny app and then try it out. So that's what it is basically. You can upload your own content, and then you can also become like a top creator here on this app, get some likes. So you can see there are people who get like hundreds of thousands likes per week, and they get in some a lot of followers. You can subscribe to them. So yeah, give it a try.